future simple, with going to in negative and question form. Hey language lovers! Feeling lost in the labyrinth of the future? Fear not, because we're about to unlock the secrets of future simple with going to, negative and question forms included. First, negative form. This isn't just your average, no. Negative going to paints a future with shades of firm plans, strong convictions, and unexpected twists. Think of it as a big, bold X across unwanted scenarios. But how do we build a sentence? Start with the subject, any person, animal, or object that performs the action, plus verb to be in negative form, am not, is not, or are not. Or their short forms if you prefer it, plus going to, plus the base verb, plus the complement, any extra information that gives context to your sentence. Now let's check some examples. We aren't going to give up on our dreams. This movie isn't going to win any awards. They aren't going to be happy unless they change their attitude. Second, question form. Curiosity piqued. Use going to in questions to seek information about someone's future plans or predictions. Think of it as a friendly detective, gently asking about what tomorrow holds. Here is how you can construct this sentence. Let's start. Switching verb to be and subject positions, plus going to, plus the base verb form, plus the additional details in the complement, and finally, the most important element, the question mark. Let's see some examples. Are you going to watch the big game tonight? Is this book going to change my life? Remember, going to needs the full be verb, and, is, or, are, unless you want to use its shortened form. So, there you have it. Going to in its negative and question forms, ready to guide you through the maze of gonna do's and ain't gonna do's that is the future. Go forth and paint your tomorrow with vibrant plans, firm refusals, and curious inquiries. If you got any questions about navigating the future with going to, don't hesitate to ask. We're always here to help you make the most of this grammatical tool. Visit our website to book a tutoring session, or find helpful sources to improve your language skills. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.